Welcome to USA Smart Shop, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best travel trailers that combine comfort, style, and performance for your next road adventure. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time traveler, these picks are built to impress. Let's hit the road and dive in. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Yuscamp Manual RV Awning Complete Kit Retractable Camper Awning for RV or Trailers. RV Rollout Awning for camper or fifth wheel travel trailers, toy haulers, motorhome, 10ft black frame, blue fade. Designed for durability and ease of use, the Yuscamp Manual RV Awning Complete Kit delivers a high-quality shelter solution for RVs, travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. With a 10-foot width and vibrant blue fade fabric, this awning is not only functional but adds visual appeal to your outdoor setup. The black powder-coated aluminum frame offers excellent corrosion resistance and is built to withstand outdoor elements. This kit includes all necessary components for a full installation, including arms, torsion bar, roller tube, and fabric, making it a comprehensive, ready-to-install solution. The manual mechanism is engineered for smooth rollout and easy retraction, giving users full control without the need for power. The high-density 15-ounce vinyl fabric provides excellent UV protection and rain resistance, allowing you to stay shaded and dry. The fade-resistant material maintains its bold color after long-term exposure to sunlight, which is ideal for frequent travelers. The scalloped valance design helps enhance the trailer's aesthetic while also reducing wind flapping. This awning is compatible with most standard RV configurations and is particularly suited for flat-walled installations. Its universal fit design reduces guesswork during installation and is adaptable to a wide range of mounting brackets and hardware types. Whether you're replacing an old awning or adding a new one, this kit includes step-by-step instructions to assist with a hassle-free setup. One of the standout features is its sturdy support arms, which lock into place securely and maintain stability even in moderate wind conditions. The tensioning knobs allow you to make fabric adjustments to ensure a taut and clean look. When not in use, the awning retracts neatly and locks into the stowed position, minimizing movement while you're driving. Number 2. Onlux Black Modular Slide Topper Awning Slide-Out Protection for RVs, travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. -5 feet 6 inches, 5 feet 1 inch fabric. The Onlux Black Modular Slide Topper Awning is engineered to protect your RV's slide-out from water, leaves, and debris buildup. With a total length of 5 feet 6 inches and a 5 foot 1 inch wide fabric panel, it provides reliable coverage for compact slide-outs found in travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. This slide topper extends automatically as the slide-out opens, forming a protective barrier that reduces the risk of water infiltration or mechanical damage. The fabric is crafted from premium-grade vinyl that resists UV rays, mold, and mildew, helping maintain cleanliness and extend the life of your RV components. The black aluminum housing is powder-coated for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Its modular design ensures a clean appearance and easy integration with a variety of RV exteriors. The topper's heavy-duty roller tube maintains consistent tension to keep the fabric taut, even in light wind conditions. Installation is simplified with included hardware and mounting brackets designed to accommodate multiple wall structures. The pre-tension springs and integrated end caps allow for a controlled rollout and retraction every time. Once installed, this awning operates passively and does not require manual adjustments during daily use. It's ideal for campers looking to reduce ongoing maintenance on their slide-out mechanisms. By shielding the top surface from rain and fallen branches, it helps minimize moisture intrusion and keep seals in better condition. This contributes to long-term durability and fewer future repairs. Number 3. Onlux White Manual Modular Retractable RV Awning Full Set Assemblies for RV, fifth wheel, travel trailers, toy haulers, and motorhome. RV Trailer Awning for home or camper, 10 by 8 feet, gray fade. The Onlux White Manual Modular Retractable RV Awning is a full-sized awning kit built for versatility and protection. With a 10-foot width and 8-foot projection, it delivers 80 square feet of outdoor shelter for RVs, travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. The gray fade fabric paired with a white frame offers a clean, modern look that complements most vehicle exteriors. This awning uses a manually operated hand crank system that is easy to use and reliable. It provides full control over extension and retraction without depending on electric components, making it ideal for users who prefer mechanical simplicity. The roller tube and arms are made of high-strength aluminum with a powder-coated white finish that resists rust and corrosion. The fade-resistant 15-ounce vinyl fabric offers superior UV protection and repels water with ease. It shields outdoor furniture, gear, and campers from sun exposure and light rain, enhancing the usability of your camping space. The modular structure allows for flexibility in installation and simplifies repairs or part replacements if needed over time. Included in the set are all necessary components: roller tube, support arms, torsion bar, mounting brackets, and fasteners. The installation instructions are designed for do-it-yourself users and are compatible with most standard RV wall surfaces. Once installed, the awning can be adjusted manually for tension and pitch, allowing you to control the amount of shade throughout the day. The gray fade fabric offers a premium appearance while being durable enough for long-term outdoor use. Reinforced seams and welded edges prevent tearing in windy or stormy conditions. The awning retracts fully into a compact form, which is held securely in place by locking mechanisms when not in use or during travel. Number 4. Yuscamp Motorized RV Awning Complete Kit Retractable Electric Camper Awning for RV Trailers, 5th Will Toy Haulers Motorhome RV Trailer Awning for Camper or Home, 10ft Black Frame, Black Fade. The Yuscamp Motorized RV Awning delivers convenience and performance in one package. Designed for RVs, fifth wheels, trailers, toy haulers, and motorhomes, this 10-foot retractable awning features a motorized system that allows for easy extension and retraction at the push of a button. The black fade fabric and sleek black frame give it a bold, modern look that blends well with most vehicle exteriors. Built for ease of use, the motor is integrated within the roller tube and powered by a standard 12V system. With just a switch or optional remote, the awning opens and closes smoothly in under a minute. It's ideal for users who want quick shade access without manual cranking, especially beneficial in rainy or windy conditions. The frame is made from powder-coated aluminum, offering a strong yet lightweight structure that resists rust and environmental wear. The awning fabric is constructed from premium 15-ounce vinyl that is UV-resistant, water-repellent, and easy to clean. The fade-resistant finish keeps the color looking sharp over time, even with frequent sun exposure. This model includes an integrated wind sensor that automatically retracts the awning if wind levels become too strong, helping protect both the awning and your RV. The hardware is reinforced at stress points to reduce flexing and potential damage during rough conditions. The locking mechanism secures the awning during travel, preventing movement on the road. Installation is supported with detailed instructions and a universal bracket system that fits most standard RV configurations. This motorized model also features adjustable pitch arms, letting you tilt the awning to control sun angle or assist with water runoff during light rain. Number 5. Suncode Manual RV Awning Black Modular Retractable Awning Complete Kit for RV, 5th Will Travel Trailers, Toy Haulers, Motorhome RV Trailer Awning for Home or Camper 10x8ft Black Fade. The Suncode Manual RV Awning is a robust and stylish shelter solution tailored for travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, and campers. Measuring 10 feet wide by 8 feet deep, it offers a large shaded area that enhances outdoor comfort at any campsite. The black fade fabric paired with a modular black frame adds a clean, professional look to your RV exterior. Built with a heavy-duty manual retraction system, this awning offers smooth operation without relying on power. The hand crank mechanism is easy to operate and gives users full control over deployment and stowage. It's especially beneficial for off-grid campers or anyone who prefers manual systems over motorized components. The frame is crafted from rust-resistant aluminum and designed with modular components, making it easier to install and maintain. The black powder coating adds durability and style, protecting against scratches, chips, and corrosion. The included hardware kit ensures compatibility with a wide range of RV models and wall types. The 15-ounce vinyl fabric is treated for UV resistance and water repellency. It provides reliable protection from harsh sunlight, light rain, and airborne debris. The material's fade-resistant properties help it maintain color even after prolonged exposure to the elements, making it a good choice for frequent travelers. This awning features a reinforced roller tube and tension arms that hold the fabric taut during use. Adjustable pitch settings allow users to angle the awning for sun and rain control. The arms lock securely into place to provide stability and prevent movement in breezy conditions. When retracted, the awning locks tightly into travel mode to avoid wind damage while driving. Thanks for watching USA Smart Shop. All the travel trailers featured are linked below. Check them out for the latest deals and specs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top-rated gear reviews. See you in the next one.